In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sort columns in Google Sheets. Sorting your columns help you read and analyze your data easier, faster, and better. There are two ways to do it, and here's the first one. First, select the column that you want to sort, right-click on it. And right here, you'll see Sort Sheet A to Z or Sort Sheet Z to A. Let's click on the first one. And there you have it. This column has been sorted alphabetically from A to Z. Let's try the other method. Let's click on this corner to select all the range. Go to Data. Select Sort Range. And at the bottom, you'll see Advanced Range Sorting Options. Click on that. So this is the same, we're just sorting by column. Let's click on Data as header row and select Date of Application. So we're going to be sorting the date of application from the latest to the earliest. So that's Z to A, click on that, and sort. And there you have it, the date of application has been sorted from the latest to the earliest. And that's how to sort columns in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.